Warm greetings to everyone. I am J. Albinovins, Assistant Professor in Botany, Holy Cross College Autonomous, Nagarkoil, presenting a paper on screening and evaluation of actinomycetes for the production of antibiotics. Introduction. Actinomycetes are of ubiquitous in nature. Mainly it is found in soil, freshwater, lakes, manures, compost, etc. They are gram-positive bacteria with DNA having a high G plus C content. 70% of naturally occurring antibiotics were isolated from actinomycetes. These actinomycetes possess antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, anticancer and immunosuppressive properties. The main objective of the present investigation was to isolate and screen antibiotic producing actinomycetes from the soil samples of Kanyakumari district. The antimicrobial potential of novel actinomycetes have been evaluated with primary as well as secondary screening. Coming into methodology, actually the sample was first collected, then actinomycetes was isolated from the soil sample, then screening was made for antimicrobial activity, and finally assessment of crude extract by Kirby-Bayer diffusion method was performed. Coming into results. From a total of 12 soil samples, 30 different actinomycete isolates were obtained at different depth of the soil. Of these 30 isolates, 3 were isolated from the kitchen soil, 10 from house waste disposal area, 5 was isolated from rhizosphere soil, and 11 were isolated from breeding areas. Screening of actinomycetes for antimicrobial properties. The result of primary screening clearly showed that out of 30 isolates isolated, 14 actinomycete isolates showed antimicrobial activity against both bacterial as well as fungal isolates. Out of these 14 isolates, 5 isolates of about 35.7% were isolated from cattle breeding area soil. 6, which account for about 42.85%, were isolated from house waste disposal area, and 1, which account for 7, that is 14%, were isolated from rhizosphere soil to soil. Among the 14 isolates isolated with antimicrobial properties, 4 isolates possess antimicrobial activity against gram-negative bacteria, 2 isolates was active against both positive as well as gram-negative bacteria, and 5 isolates were active against gram-negative, positive and also the fungal isolates. Coming into the secondary screening of the isolate, the crude extract of the potential isolate were recorded with maximum significant activity. Coming into the conclusion, at present there is an urgency to find out new antibiotic producing strains because the pre-existing drugs become failed due to the availability of multi-drug resistance. So, the isolates possessing broad spectrum activities can be considered as the candidates for the search of new compounds. Thank you all.